Hello there again. Here we have for review by the Sports Wolf, otherwise known as Stiffman Stifler. Look, we have Leo Prime. Check him out, check him out, check him out. Raw. Another legend size figure for you to take a look at. Here, let's see. Packaging, got them at Big Lots, $5. Transformers, robots in disguise. The Autobot, that tells you how to transform this guy. Pretty simple, nothing too complicated. Of course, the pictures always make it look better than what it seems. Anyway, here we go. Let's see. Well, let's do a quick comparison first. Let me grab his big brother. Here's his big brother. Bam! As you can see, quite a difference. Alright, we'll put him off to the side. And let's take a look at this little guy. Well, what's there to say? Cool little piece. Feet flip down here, which is probably a nicer look. Well, actually, well, now that I see that, I guess it's up to the person. I don't know. I'll leave him up. Let's see, his tail moves back and forth. Really not a lot of articulation. His legs, let's see, a lot of his legs move up. They bend up. In case you want to get them to that walking pose. Yeah, okay. No head, no mouth, no, well, let's see, his back feet move, look like in the Elvis boots. Geez, just by playing with them, I almost transform them in a robot mode. Well, there you go. Really not too much to them. Cool little display piece. Great to sit on your desk. Alright, let's see if we can go ahead and just transform this guy. Let's see, flip these down. His claws, I guess you can. You know, it doesn't matter. Leave them like, you know. First I'll pop his head out, which is right there. Hello. Then fists are actually corny. Let's see. Bring the back down. Kind of see where it's all slides in there in one big piece. Put these up out of the way. Slide this down. Come on. Why are you giving me a hard time? Don't make me break you. There we go. Alright, get the head back up again, sucker. Come on. There you go. Bring the legs down. Pull the feet down. And there you go. There you have it. Make sure that tail, well, the tail can sit up midway, all the way down. Well, not really, but personally, I'd keep it up. And there you have it. Not really too much going on there. Can bend the elbow a little bit. That's it. There you go. Cool little piece. I like the quite a lot of detail. You can see the eyes, the face has a silver mug there. Yeah, that's it. It's got the gold, which is nice. I like the gold color. Little pretty nice detail on the legs and the arms and whatnot. You can see the engraving there for the hair. that's, yeah, see, that's the only thing I don't like here. Right there you can see the screws. I don't like this. Yeah, you can do better than that with everything they got out today. I think they'd be able to find a way to start hiding those things a little bit better, but, you know. Really not too much leg articulation here. Let's see another quick comparison. We'll set him down. And we'll grab Legends Class Prime. You can see they're pretty much the same size. Really not too much smaller, about the same size. So there's that. Well, and don't know really what else to say about them other than if you can find them, pick them up, add them to your collection. There you go. I am Leo Prime, and I am just a little dude.